told you. One of Japan's greatest castles survived wars, fires, and even a massive earthquake. This is Kumamoto Castle, one of the most powerful and beautiful castles in Japan. Today we explore its history, architecture, culture, and incredible local food. Let's begin our journey to Kumamoto, Kyushu. Kumamoto is located on the island of Kyushu, in the southern part of Japan. The city is known for its rich samurai history, delicious cuisine, and of course, Kumamoto Castle, often called one of the three great castles of Japan. Kumamoto Castle was built by the famous samurai lord, Kato Kiyomasa. Construction began in 1601 and took about 7 years to complete. Kiyomasa designed the castle to be nearly impossible to attack. Features included massive stone walls, hidden defenses, complicated gate systems, and steep slopes enemies could not climb. One of the castle's most famous features is its Musha-gaze high stone walls. The walls curve outward near the top, making them extremely difficult to climb. Even skilled samurai attackers would struggle. This defensive design made Kumamoto Castle one of the most secure castles in Japan. In 1877, the castle faced its greatest challenge, the Satsuma Rebellion. Led by the legendary samurai, Saigo Takamori, thousands of rebels attacked the castle. But despite intense fighting, the castle held strong. The siege lasted more than 50 days. In 2016, Kumamoto experienced a powerful earthquake. The castle suffered severe damage. Stone walls collapsed, roofs fell. But something incredible happened. The people of Kumamoto began a massive restoration effort. Today, much of the castle has been carefully rebuilt, and the restoration continues. The Tenchukaku, or main tower, is the symbol of Kumamoto. From the top you can see the entire city, surrounding mountains, and the impressive castle grounds. Inside the tower are exhibitions explaining samurai weapons, castle defense system, and the life of Kato Kiyomasa. In spring, the castle transforms. More than 800 cherry trees bloom around the castle grounds. Pink sakura surrounding the black castle walls create a stunning contrast. It becomes one of the most beautiful cherry blossom spots in Kyushu. Kumamoto is famous for its delicious regional dishes. Kumamoto ramen, a rich pork bone broth with garlic oil. Basashi, or sashimi, a surprising local specialty. Karashi renkon, lotus root stuffed with mustard miso and deep fried. Again, hardango, sweet potato and red bean dumplings. Suizenji Garden, a beautiful traditional Japanese landscape garden. Mount Eyasu, one of the largest active volcanoes in the world. Kumamoto shopping streets, perfect for food and souvenirs. Kumamoto Castle is not just a historical building. It represents samurai engineering, resilience after disaster, and the spirit of the people of Kumamoto. Standing here, you can almost hear the footsteps of samurai. Kumamoto Castle has survived centuries of history, and its story continues today. Would you like to visit Kumamoto Castle? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next adventure!